What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today we're just poking around in the Kioti RX7320, and as you can see over there in the distance there, we've got some snowbanks. It's 50 degrees out. I'm just going to use the box blade and try and pull them down and see if they can melt off a little faster. Well, all right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. It's been pretty quiet up here in northern Wisconsin. So it's February 23rd, February 22nd, and as you can see, no snow, 50 degrees out. It's kind of amazing. I'm in a t-shirt. It's awesome. Anyway, just pushing the snow around, see if it'll melt down a little faster. So I try and do that typically in the spring. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up. Would love to have you subscribe. At the moment, we are at 817 subs, and I would love to get to 1,000 before summer. So if you would be so kind as to join our group, I would very much appreciate that. So if you have any questions, comments, hit me up in the comment section. And stay tuned for another video. Check it out. It'll be right here. I'll see you there.